Hello everyone, welcome back to JEE Physics PYQs. Here is a JEE Main 2025 rotational motion PYQ. It looks like a rolling motion question, but there is a very quick way to solve it. We have a uniform solid cylinder of mass m and radius r that rolls without slipping down an inclined rough plane of inclination 45 degrees. If it starts to roll from rest, from the top of the plane, we have to find the linear acceleration of the cylinder axis. Let us identify the key formula for a body rolling without slipping down an incline. We have A equals g sin theta upon 1 plus I upon mr square. For a solid cylinder, I is half mr square. So I upon mr square will be half. Next we substitute the angle. Here theta is 45 degrees and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So we get acceleration A equals g by root 2 upon 1 plus half 3 by 2. 2g upon 3 root 2. Rationalizing we get A equals root 2 upon 3g. Hence the correct answer option is C, root 2 upon 3g. This has to be 3 instead of 2. JEE exam trick. Remember this one formula for rolling bodies. Acceleration A is g sin theta upon 1 plus I upon mr square. For common bodies, solid cylinder, moment of inertia I is half mr square. Ring I is mr square. And solid sphere I is 2/5 mr square. So the moment of inertia immediately tells you how quickly the body accelerates down the incline. And one important point, because the cylinder rolls without slipping, the acceleration of its axis is simply the translational acceleration A. This is a classic JEE Main rolling motion question. Identify the body's moment of inertia, use the rolling equation, and finish the calculation quickly. Keep practicing official JEE Physics numerical PYQs for JEE Main 2027. See you in the next problem.